GM Legends. Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Tut that you have to see. Take a look at the before versus after on our charts because our first setup of the day was a huge success. We've just hit our fourth take profit target perfectly. For my community and followers, TP4 has been hit. This is a perfect example of why it pays to be part of our team. In fact, I'm so confident in our strategy that I'm going to host a private live trading session today at 15 UTC plus 2. You can join for free and there is absolutely no paid access. All you have to do is follow the bot steps to get in. The link is in the description. So stay tuned because there's more to come. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.